Welcome back to Weird Stuff in a Can. I'm not feeling so well today, and sometimes when I'm ill I fancy soup. So today's Weird Stuff in a Can is palm nut soup. Okay, palm nut soup. Now this has been in my cupboard for a little while actually. We bought this in International Food Store down in Southampton a while back. I think I paid about £1.50 for this can of palm nut soup. Let's have a look at the ingredients. The ingredients are just palm fruit, which is those things, I guess, and salt. So the instructions say, let's have a look. Cooking instructions. Add 2 parts water to 1 part Ghana Best palm nut soup. Boil for about 20 minutes. Add meat, fish, tomatoes or spices to your taste. Okay, so this is like a soup base concentrate, I suppose. Interesting. I don't really know what to expect, but it says an essential ingredient to prepare traditional African soups and stews. Well, okay, let's open it up and have a look and see what it's like inside. Wow, that's interesting. My gosh. Okay. Oh, is it supposed to look like that? There's like a patch of bright orange something on the top there. I don't know. But it's a solid, pasty sort of block of quite strongly smelling. Gosh, that's got quite some pungency to it, but I'm concerned about this patch on the top here. That kind of looks a little bit like mould to me. I don't see how it can be because that was inside the can. But let's have a bit of a closer look at it. Well, do you know what? I think we may not be eating this today because I'm not entirely confident that that's what that is meant to look like. So let's just spoon a bit out and see what we're actually dealing with. So it's like a paste, it's like a vegetable paste, I think. The smell, it does smell kind of fruity, but oddly savoury. A slightly sort of fermented smell to it actually as well, which again gives me a little bit of concern. So I think probably we won't be eating this today. I just don't, as I say, I'm not feeling that well anyway, so I don't think it would be a good idea to eat something which might have spoiled in the can. I don't know whether there's been air has got into this can maybe, and I don't know if that's... Anyway, well, perhaps some of my viewers who might be familiar with this might be able to tell me, is that normal? And if it is, maybe we'll revisit this with another can another time. But there we go, that is palm nut soup concentrate, Ghana Best, Weird Stuff in a Can. I'm afraid this one is a bit too weird for me to even consider eating. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.